Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to archive a Confluence page. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that contains your page. Now for here, you need to make sure that the page that you want to archive is published. So go ahead and select on it. Then make sure that it is published. Once done, what you need to do to archive it is to click on the three dots beside its name to open the More Actions menu. Then, from the options, you can now choose on Archive. Here, you can select or add a note if you'd want. After that, just click on the Archive button. And there you have it. Your page now is archived successfully. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.